In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display spreads on MetaTrader 5 charts. To get started, you'll first want to make sure MetaTrader 5 is up and running on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and do that now. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, the next step is selecting the specific chart for the symbol you want to view. This is crucial because the spread display is tied to each individual chart, meaning you can have different settings for different assets. Once your desired chart is open, we're going to utilize a simple yet powerful feature within MetaTrader. You'll need to right-click anywhere on the chart. Now, if you're more of a keyboard enthusiast or simply prefer shortcuts, there's a quicker way to access the next section. You can simply press the F8 key on your keyboard. Either of these methods will direct you to the Properties menu, a handy area where you'll find various customization options for your chart. Now, from the Properties window, you'll need to navigate to the Show tab. This tab is where we can adjust the visual elements of our chart. It's essential for tailoring your workspace to suit your trading style. Once you're on the Show tab, you'll notice several options that control what information is visible on your chart. What we're interested in here is the box labeled Show Ask line. The ask line is what helps us display the spread, which is crucial for understanding the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset. This line will give you a visual representation of the spread right on your chart, making it easier to make informed trading decisions at a glance. At this point, all you need to do is check that box labeled Show Ask line. This action will enable the display of the ask price line on your chart, allowing you to see spreads in real time. Once you've checked the box, go ahead and click OK. This confirms your settings and automatically implements the changes you've made. Your chart will now update to reflect the ask line, showing you the spread directly on the chart, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have your spreads displayed clearly on your MetaTrader 5 charts. Remember, this feature can be especially useful for keeping tabs on your trading costs, as spreads can significantly affect your buying and selling decisions. Being aware of them can help you strategize better and potentially optimize your trading performance. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to confidently make the necessary customizations on your own. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.